Pum, pum. Wow. Hello, how are you? How's everybody doing? Hello, William. How are you, mate? Perra guerra. I'm not on this trade though. I'm not on this trade. I'm just tagging it to journal it. So all right, enough music. How are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo ves el oro? Alberto Loza, coño, que no veo nada en el oro. ¿Qué tú quieres? Well, Alberto is hey Orlando, your promo shows that you give 2 to 5 signals daily and you have accuracy above 79%. That is the case made for me, not for the other trader. Although, the accuracy on my signals cannot. I mean, how long have you been, how long have you been a VIP member? You have to have a big enough sample size, to try to correct me on my win rate. Right now, I'm in a drawdown, which is basically a break-even stage for me. Yeah, I mean, you can't accurately portray my overall win profit from the past month. You have to have a big enough sample size, mate. Just ask around, ask everybody on the VIP group. I know that people can tell you how wrong you are, mate. All right, I'm still waiting for this fucking dip on the USD CAD. Just have a look at this. Tons of liquidity. Bam. Costa Rica, ¿cómo está, Mae? ¿Cómo está? Pues, ¿cómo está usted, papi? Saludos de Colombia. Right, I'm not on this trade again. This is just, I mean, when you see this color as a flag, this is just a trade idea that I am later journaling and analyzing, right? I'm not on this trade. When you see a green one, is that I have a pending order. Good quality signals in your VIP. I love them. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Yeah. All right, so we are moments away for 15 minutes away from. Alexa, stop. My fucking Alexa is haunted, mate. Alexa, stop. Fuck. My Alexa is haunted. God damn it. What the fuck am I going to do? All right, so yeah, this is. Hola, Bimba, venga. Venga, 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 señora. Hola, señora. Venga, venga. Oh, my dog wants to say hi. Oh, say hi to everybody, Bimba. Say hi to everybody. Fuck everybody. All right. So, looking for S&P 500 shorts. Like I told you, 5-minute chart looks great. Yeah, I mean, this is very, 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 very bearish. So, here's the dealio, mates. This break of the lows right here, this break of the Asian session lows to me was not. Who is the head of the crypto signals, bro? That is Aziz. That is Aziz, and he does an incredible job. All right, so to me, this was a trap, a bear trap. The real break of the structure to me was the break of this particular low. Now that has happened. So I'm going to play this. I'm going to play this break of the structure, right? So we have that clean break of the structure here. Very clean break of the structure. We have that trap right here. Boom. Actually, I hate this. I'm going to change it towards this. I mean, yeah. And I am going to save as trappity trap. Boom. Shite. Save as trappity trap. Yes. All right, so we have that trap right on the lows. Very nice. We have the clean break of the structure, right? This is what shows me that the bias for today is bearish, not this move right here. Now, we have these equal highs right here, just above the trap. I mean, this is the trap. Those equal highs are the trap. Here's that liquidity that I am looking for the market to take out towards my entry area, and then boom, shakalaka towards the lows. Yeah, and let's wait and see what happens, right? So I'm still holding this pound yen possible short, and looking for that, possible long on the USD CAD. So let's wait and see what happens. These are my three pending orders, and of course, I am still running my Bitcoin shorts with the swing trade group made. Yeah, this looks like this. This looks like this on the 4-hour chart. Look at this beautiful trade. Sniper entry for the swing trade group. Boom, same thing, guys. Trap, liquidity, mean balance, boom, boom, boom. Same fucking thing. Same fucking thing. So you need to get VIP access after depositing 250 with your Lakin Bitcoin. Just send an email to support with your credentials. They will find them. I'm sorry. They will find them. They will find you. So it's support@learn2.trade. Now, if you want to be part of the swing trading group, remember it's very nice also to run, 1 or 2 swing trades that's my idea when it comes to profitable trading too. Well, running swing trades in the back whilst they trading actively, right? So if you want to be part of that, we have a 25% discount with this Swing VIP with this code, and the link to go to get the signals is below the video. Right, so now coming back towards that USD CAD, I am looking at this. Look at that DXY, right on the. Let's go to the 5-minute chart on the DXY. The DXY. I mean, if you look at my screen, right on the top right, you're going always to find the US dollar currency index. And on the top, on the bottom left, you're going to find the Japanese yen basket, which is the Japanese yen currency index, let's call it. Now, looking for that pullback in the US dollar, right, which will give me that pullback in the USD CAD. my friends. And looking for that open on the S&P 500. Why is DXY is not following the high news impact is because of manipulation. Really, I don't know. Your Orlando signals sent to swing, it's wide stop loss, and most will make more profit. So hope send more signals to swing. Awesome. I mean, when I get a setup, mate, I do send them. And well, when it comes to swing trading, don't expect to have 3 signals per day. That doesn't happen. There's going to be weeks without signals, or there might be 1 week without signals, but then we might have a week with 2 signals. But the goal here is not to trade every day on a swing trading basis. I'm sorry. I'm not in his swing trading group. Can anybody tell me how their VIP signals are? Just read what ABOB wrote above you, mate. And again, I mean, take the 25%. I mean, if you take the 25% off, you cannot ask for your money back. We do have a 30-day money back guarantee, but if you use a promo code, that goes away. So heads up to that. Don't be bitching about it later. All right, so let's wait for the open on the S&P 500. I want that rally. Let's get it. So it's a nice, 170 pip or 170 tick rally. Now DXY is going up and Japanese yen back to going one. That means the US dollar Japanese yen is going up, very possibly, mate. Very possibly. But I don't trade the US dollar Japanese yen, you see. I really don't. Because, I mean, when it comes to yen pairs, I only trade the pound yen and the euro yen, and it's because I'm looking for a Japanese yen driven trade, right? The US dollar Japanese yen, I don't trade anything that has 2 very strong. I mean, I only trade the US dollar and the Japanese yen, so I'm never going to trade the US dollar Japanese yen, or the Japanese yen US dollar, you see? All right, 7 minutes away until we get. Oh boy, my dad's birthday is next week. I mean, I completely forgot. Is he in the S&P 500? No, mate. It's a pending order. My pending order is here. You can see it on the screen. All right, let's wait for this. Let's wait for this. I might get triggered. I might not get triggered. Who knows, right? Who the fuck knows? Who the fuck knows? So let's wait. I mean, if I don't get triggered, I am going to hold on to my position. Also, I would hate. All right, let's go to a 5-minute chart. I mean, if at the open we don't get buyers jumping in to trigger us in, and price continues to dip and breaks with these lows, then I'm definitely going to delete that order, right? And that's what I mean when, well, these are what drawdowns look to me, when not getting filled on my position, getting break-even trades, being down 0.3%. I don't have very big losing streaks. Although right now I am down, let me see, 0.7% on a position long on gold that I have built. But that is not a signal, mate, so don't even try to ask about it. All right. All right, cool. So let's wait and see what happens here. Um, the reason, all right, whenever you see, I mean, I'm going to guide you through my color scheme whilst we wait, right? Whenever you see a green flag, it means that I either have a pending order or I have an active trade. Whenever you see a blue flag like this, that means that I am looking for a possible setup to analyze later in journal, right? That maybe was not an A plus setup, but it was a setup that could have been taken, but I didn't take because it didn't met everything on my checklist, right? Whenever you see a magenta, no, yeah, a magenta flag, that means I am running an F1 strategy trade on that market. And that's it. All right, about the F1 strategy, mates, I am running a free webinar on, on Friday. I'm running a free webinar on Friday for the F1 strategy, mates. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn the notifications on, and you will get notified whenever I go live. For that, I'm going to show everybody that shows up to that webinar how we trade the F1 strategy with the F1 strategy team. All right, so this here was that short on the Dow that I missed. Sadly. The Nasdaq showing, the Nasdaq possibly showing the same setup as the S&P 500, right? But the setup on the S&P 500 is just way more clearer, more clear. I was going to say is way clearer. Did you guys see how gorgeous my morning was? I'm gonna show you. Um, Let me see. We are 2 minutes away until the open. So here it is. I posted it on our Instagram. The markets are really. Have a look at this. Look at this. How fucking gorgeous is that? Gorgeous this morning is today here. Oh man, I love it. I love it here. Oh yeah. It was a gorgeous morning. All right. The market is about to open, so let's figure this fucking thing out, right? USD CAD, on the USD CAD side, right, if the USD CAD breaks with another high, I'll probably just look to start to think about deleting that pending order. The pound yen, I'm still looking possible downside hit on the Japanese yen, but you know what? I don't know if we are going to get that feel. So yeah, this is what drawdowns period look on my side. Just lack of setups and also no feels. Remember yesterday or the day before the Mondays US dollar Canadian dollar that didn't feel me for 4 pips, and that was an amazing trade. That's what a drawdown period looks like for me. So stop bitching about it. It happens. All right, 1 minute till the casino opens. Let's wait and see. So Mr. Beast is suing the company making Mr. Beast burgers for serving inedible meals. Well, fuck. And Trump got indicted for the third time. All right, the market just opened. And nothing. And fucking nothing. All right, nothing. Gold looks like it's going to break with the lows. Yeah, I mean, heavy buyers here, heavy buyers, but what still remains to be seen. Um, I have a position build here with my stop losses all the way down here. I am actually going to um, manage that a little better. Just a little better. So that is a 1.8% risk on this position, which is completely and utterly fine for that particular trading style, which is one that I'm developing, right? It's a position building, a strategy for the swing trading group mates. And the Bitcoin short running beautifully. Bitcoin just crashing at the moment, continues, about to break with the structure. This trade is running at 1R, right? For the swing trade group, running at 1R very nicely. I'm going to start taking profits at the lows here on this particular trade. USD CAD breaking with the highs. That is a fucked up situation to see. And the S&P 500 breaking with the lows. So this is exactly, my friends, what a drawdown period looks for me. No trade. Absolutely no trade at all today. So you're going to have to be patient, right? And if you can handle this couple of, or maybe a week of not getting triggered, having to delete your pending orders, etc., then there's nothing I can tell you. But I am going to hold, however, this position or these setups, these orders. Yeah, I don't trade silver. I mean, a spread is just way too wide. Sometimes the setups are much better in silver than in gold. I'm going to be completely and utterly honest with you, mate. But I don't trade it because the spreads are too wide with the brokers that I trade silver with. Hey, Orlando, is Fibonacci too useful? For sure, mate. Just need to know how to use it. I use it to pinpoint some quality entries. For example, to pinpoint this entry right here, right? This is part of the course that I'm telling you that I am about to develop. Where I mean, in that course, I'll teach everything about this entry model and how to print money with it. But first, the F1 strategy, right? Yeah, gold buyers are looking heavy here, whilst the USD CAD just flew by the highs. I am deleting the order on the USD CAD, guys. Sadly, that is just how it rolls. I am holding the pound yen, and I am holding the, if the S&P 500 comes down towards my target somehow, I will delete the order too. I said I will. So that Nasdaq short was the spot on sniper trade that I missed. Should be running at, but I didn't want to. I didn't want to take a trade before the non-farm ADP or whatever, right? Should be running around a 2.3R, 2.4R. Yeah. I don't know if you understand why I wouldn't want to. I didn't want to trade that before the news, but it's not that complicated, right? Yeah. Any questions, guys, before I log out? In order to get the F1 strategy, just go here, mate. With the F1 strategy, what's really cool about it is that, you get lifetime access to all the F1 strategy lessons and updates. This strategy has been evolving if you buy into it, you're going to have to go through the first videos, the first lessons, and then you're going to go through the optimized entries, and you're going to see the difference and the reason that now we can get very high risk to reward ratios. Also, you get access to this, and today we got our new F1 strategy trader. You get access to this. Craig, welcome. So you get access to this. This is the F1 strategy chat where you can chat with me and all other 38 F1 strategy traders every day about the F1 strategy. It's a one-time payment, mate. I know it's kind of expensive, but it's 1 year of my life that I spent developing that strategy, and I work on that strategy every day, and I trade it also. So yeah, I wouldn't sell something that I don't trade. And later, maybe next month, I'll start looking into developing the same thing, but for this entry model, right? Maybe to be ready for next year or so. But yeah, the F1 strategy is ready, set, and go, mate. Yeah, all right, so there's nothing, absolutely nothing for me to do here but to go to the fucking park. Yeah, nothing. And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany's? All right, so I'm deleting the US dollar, Canadian dollar, sending that alert to the VIPs. 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 Oh, the VIPs. I'm sorry. And the reason, hold on, structure. And the reason that I'm deleting this order is simple. I'm going to explain to you why. On the USD CAD, right? Control V. Yeah, on the USD CAD, my friends. The main reason that I deleted that order is because if you notice, we've had one, two, three, and this is the fourth break of the structure. So and this is very bullish. So if we get a pullback, this will be very bearish, and it will be more so of a reversal than a pullback. I really don't trade pullbacks that exceed from my entry, right? And remember that I had two entries that exceed a 0.20% move, in this case to the upside, right? So yeah, because the data shows me that it's not profitable. Do you delete as well GBP? No, the pound yen still is still good for me because if you notice, we are less than. Um, I mean, on the pound yen, it's different because it moves higher, but it's less than 100 pips, which means that the average daily range on this is what. I mean, I don't want to go into details because this is what I'm going to fucking sell eventually. So yeah, but yeah, I'm still holding that. And the S&P 500, I am going to delete it too. This looks, I mean, it doesn't look bullish in the sense, I mean, all right, let me go through this because it's quite interesting. You might learn something about my style, right? And this is the thing. Yes, we do have some fair value gap here, right? Or imbalance, or whatever you want to call it. It's the fucking same thing, right? And traders might think, oh, this is a bullish opportunity, but it's not, right? This is a bullish trap, my friends. This is a bullish trap. This market is still bearish, right? Because should this have been for this to be a really, all right, I'm going to draw this here. Where, I mean, I always see on Instagram traders using a tool, but because I don't do that, I don't know what the fuck tool do they use. I think this is it. Let me see. No. Oh, this is the one. So this market is bearish, right? All right. So listen, this because this is exactly what I'm thinking, or what this market is bearish, right? And we shit. This market is bearish, right? And we are here, right? Now, price did this. So traders might think that this is an actual, um, bullish setup with stop losses below the lows on a pullback towards this imbalance, but that is not the case. For this to be a valid setup, price would have to go, oh shit. Price would have to go like this. Hold on. For this to be a valid bullish setup, price would have to go here, breaking these lows. Then it would have to break with this high and then come back towards this imbalance before going higher, right? So there's a ton of subtleties to understand. This is the wolf wave, right? If you don't know the name. There's a ton. El orito, vamos a ver el orito. El orito que busca qué? 41.40. Tal vez, pero no voy a tradear oro ahora. 41.40. No voy a tradear oro yo hoy. I'm not trading anything at all. So, yeah, that's exactly why I'm not deleting still this pending order on the S&P 500. I mean, I really don't care that price came all this close to my targets. Well, this is still a valid setup. It's still a very valid liquidity sweep setup. And should I get triggered and price reverses from my entry on a sniper trade, I will be managing very aggressively in the sense that I might just move my my targets just lower. Right, so this is me, guys. I mean, there's nothing to do here other than just wait around. And yeah, I'm not gonna wait around here. That's a waste of time. But again, if you want to be part of the VIP group, you know what to do. The link is below this video. There, this is the swing trade on short on Bitcoin. If you use the code swing VIP at the checkout, you get 25% off. That is valid only today. And I'll see you later, guys. Cheers. I'll see you tomorrow.